Don't look down. Edge is something I can't see. Fear is standing next to me. Every doubt is pulling back. Every step feels off the track. But there's more than what I know. Something tells me I should go. I just wanna fly, even if I fall this time. Through the fear, through the height, through the edge of every line. I don't need to know the end. I don't need to understand. If I break, if I try, at least I know I try to fly. To fly. Wind is louder than my thoughts, drowning all the what ifs now. I was stuck, but not today. I let go and drift away, even if I